Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix investment goals with personal capital, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To start fixing your investment goals with personal capital, visit the Personal Capital website. Log into your existing account or sign up for a new one. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard where all your financial information is displayed. Look for the Investing tab in the top navigation menu and click on it. Here, you'll find an overview of your investment portfolio. To set or adjust your investment goals, select the Retirement Planner option. This will take you to a tool that helps you assess your retirement readiness. Enter your current age and the age you plan to retire. Next, input your current savings and expected future contributions. The tool will provide a projection of your retirement savings over time. Now, click on the Investment Goals section to define specific targets. You can adjust your desired retirement age and anticipated expenses during retirement. Personal Capital allows you to set different scenarios, so explore various options. Review the suggested asset allocation based on your goals. If necessary, adjust your risk tolerance and investment strategy within this section. Once satisfied, save your changes to update your investment goals. Review your overall investment performance on the main dashboard. Regularly check back to see how your investments are tracking against your goals. Make adjustments as your financial situation or objectives change. Using Personal Capital's tools will help keep you on track towards achieving your investment goals. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.